Morning children, Sai Ram. So welcome you back after a short vacation. Did you enjoy your vacation? Okay. Now after a short vacation we are going to start with the new chapter. Okay, we are going to start chapter 6 division part 1. Now in this chapter we are going to see the interrelationship between division and multiplication. Now here you can see I have given one example. For example, 8 multiplied by 4 equal to 32. If you multiply 8 fours are, what answer you get? 32. Okay. We get 32 divided by 8 equal to 4. And if you divide, now 8 multiplied by 4 is equal to 32. If you take bigger number and take any number out of the two, 8 or 4, suppose 32 divided by 8, what answer you will get? 4. And if you take 32 divided by 4, you will get answer 8. So what does this means? This means that we can get 2 division from 1 multiplication. Okay, what does it mean? This means that we can get 2 division from 1 multiplication. Here you can see 1 multiplication is given. 8 multiplied by 4 equal to 32. And from that multiplication we are getting 2 division. That is 32 divided by 8 equal to 4 and 32 divided by 4 equal to 8. So this is the interrelationship between multiplication and division. Now let us see second question. 7 multiplied by 5 equal to 35. Now here one multiplication is given, that is 7 5s are 35. Now we have to show 2 division of it. Okay, so 35 divided by dash equal to 5. So we have to see which number will come in dash. So what you will do, you will say table of 5. In table of 5, when you get 35. So let us say table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 6 are 30. And 5 sevens are what we get? 35. So what will come in dash? 7. That is 35 divided by 7 equal to 5. When you say table of 5, 7 divided by 35 you get 5. And in second question it is in the other way how it is written, 35 divided by dash equal to 7. Now here the numbers are interchanged. So what will come? You have to say table of 7 now. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. So you get 7 fives are 35. So what will come in dash? Yes, 5. It means 35 divided by 5 equal to 7. When you say table of 5, you get answer 7. So this is how one multiplication is getting to division. Okay. Now let us see next question. 6 multiplied by 7 equal to 42. Here also see this one multiplication is given, that is 6 sevens is how much? 42. Now here what is given? 42 divided by 7 equal to dash. So what you will do? You will say table of 7. In table of 7 when you get 42. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. And 7 six are 42. So what will be your answer? 6. Right? Now we will see next division. 42 divided by 6 equal to dash. Here, which is the divisor here? 6. So you will say table of 6. 6 1 ja 6. 6 2 ja 12. 6 3 ja 18. 6 4 ja 24. 6 5 ja 30. 6 6 ja 36. And 6 7 ja 42. So what will be your answer there? 7. Okay, so again here you can see one multiplication is showing two division, that is 6 sevens are 42. Then 42 divided by 7 equal to 6, and 42 divided by 6 equal to 7. One multiplication how you can write in two different ways of division, right? Now let us see next question. 5 multiplied by 9 equal to 45. Okay. Now here also it is multiplication. 5 nines are 45. Now here we have to show two different ways of division. 45 divided by dash equal to 9. So you will say table of 9. In table of 9 when you get 45. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. And 9 fives are 45. So what will come in dash? Yes, 5. It means 5 divided by 45. What will be the answer? 9. Okay. Now let us see next division. 45 divided by dash equal to 5. Now how you are going to do it? In table of 5 when you get 45. So you will say table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. And 5 nines are 45. Right? So what will come in dash? 9. So 9 divided by 45 is equal to 5. Okay. Now see next question. 8 multiplied by dash equal to 56. Okay. Now here answer is not given. So you have to say table of 8. In table of 8 when you get 56. So you will say table of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 six are 48. 8 sevens are 56. So what will come in dash? Yes, 7. 8 sevens are 56. Now this is your multiplication answer, right? Now we have to show two different ways of division. 56 divided by 8 equal to 7. Okay. If you see the upper number, 8 multiplied by 7 equal to 56. Which number is not there in the division answer? 7, right? So what will be your answer in table of 8 when you get 56? 7s are, right? So 8 sevens are 56. If you divide 56 divided by 8, you will get 7. And here 56 divided by 7, what you will get? So you have to say table of 7. In table of 7, when you get 56, yes, you get 8 za. So your answer is 8. So one multiplication is shown in two different ways of division, like 8 sevens are 56 is shown. 56 divided by 8 equal to 7 and 56 divided by 7 equal to 8. These are the two different ways of division. Okay. Now let us do next question. Solve the following problems using dots. Now see the question. It is 8 divided by 2. Now this is the sum of which operation? Division. But we are not going to use actual division to do the sum. We are going to solve this problem by using what? dots. Okay, you are going to put the number of dots to find the answer. Okay, now here 8 divided by 2, which is the divisor here? 8. Which is the dividend here? Sorry, which is the divisor here? 2. Which is the dividend here? 8. Okay, so what you will do? First, what you will write? Yes, here 2 is the divisor. So what we are going to do? You are going to put 2 dots in each row. So in each row, in one row, you are going to put 2 dots. So we are going to start putting dots in the first row. So first row, what you will do? You will put 2 dots. That is the first row. Now we will put dots in the second row. So second row also 2 dot. Now we will put dots in the third row. Now see, first row 2 dots, second row 2 dot, third row 2 dot. Now we are going to put in the fourth row. Again 2 dots. Now count how many dots we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what is the answer there? Question there, 8 divided by 2. So how many rows we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many rows we got? 4 rows. Okay. So how you are going to write? 4 rows are formed. So we want only 8 dots, right? Because our question is 8 divided by 2. So we got 8 dots. But after how many times we have written 2 dots in how many rows? 4 rows. So your answer is 4. 4 rows are formed. So how you are going to write the answer? Hence 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Understood, children? How you have to do this sum? First you have to see the divisor. Okay, the number which is given as divisor, that much dots you have to put to get the dividend. Okay, after getting the dividend you will count the number of rows. Now 8 is the dividend here and we got 8 dots. So how many rows were there? 4 rows. So your answer is 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So this is the way how you have to do the question putting dots. Okay. Now let us see next question. Now next question you see 20 divided by 5. Here which is the divisor, children? 5. And which is the dividend here? 20. So how many dots you are going to put? Yes. Yes, very good. You are going to put 5 dots, right? Because 5 is the divisor. Okay. Now 5 is the divisor. So what you are going to do? So put 5 dots in one row. In each row, in one row, how many dots you are going to put? 5 dots. Okay. Now let us start. So what we will do? Yes. Now count the number of dots you have put in one row. First row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to put only 5 dots, right? First row 5 dots. Now let us see second row. Again count the number of dots and put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second row also 5 dots. Now let us see third row. Again third row also 5 dots, right? Now let us put in fourth row. Fourth row also how many dots? 5 dots only. And here you should get 20 dots, right? So number of dots, first row, second row, third row, fourth row, you get how many dots? 20 dots, right? So how many rows are formed here? When you are putting 5 dots in each row, we got how many rows? 4 rows. Understood? So first row 5 dot, second row 5 dot, third row 5 dot, fourth row 5 dot. 4 rows are formed. So how you are going to write now? 4 rows are formed. So what will be your answer? Hence, 20 divided by 5 is equal to how much? 4. So, what is your answer? 4. 4 rows are formed. So, your answer is 20 divided by 5 equal to 4. I hope you must have understood, children. Okay. We are going to continue same chapter in part 2. Thank you.